I'm Nidhi Kumar and you're watching Science Time, a show that brings to you the best that science offers, from exciting developments in science and technology to futuristic solutions. And scientists grew living human skin around a robotic finger, special footwear developed for patients with diabetes, and China finds signs of water in Moon's ocean of storms. Well, let's take you to story number one. From action heroes to villainous assassins, biohybrid robots made out of both living and artificial materials have been at the center of many sci-fi fantasies, inspiring today's robotic innovations. It's still a long way until human-like robots walk among us in our daily lives, but scientists from Japan are bringing us one step closer by crafting living human skin on robots. Researchers at the University of Tokyo have built a robotic finger that is covered in living human skin. Super realistic looking robots could more seamlessly interact with humans in medical care and service industries, say biohybrid engineer Shoji Takeuchi. To cover the finger in skin, Takeuchi and colleagues submerged the robotic digit in a blend of collagen and human skin cells called dermal fibroblasts. The team then poured a liquid containing human keratinocyte cells onto the finger, which formed an outer skin layer. After 2 weeks, skin covering the finger measured a few millimeters thick, comparable to the thickness of human skin. It could also heal itself. When researchers made a small cut on the robotic finger and covered it with a collagen bandage, the skin's fibroblast cells merged the bandage with the rest of the skin within a week. The method developed is presented in the June 9th issue of the journal Matter. And with that, let's take you to story number two. A team of researchers from the Department of Mechanical Engineering at the Bengaluru-based Indian Institute of Science and Karnataka Institute of Endocrinology and Research has developed a set of footwear for use by persons with diabetes. Foot injuries or wounds in persons with diabetes heal slower than in healthy individuals, which increases the chance of infection and may lead to complications that even require amputation in extreme cases. The new footwear developed by the researchers, which is 3D printed, has a snapping mechanism that keeps the feet well balanced. The footwear is expected to be especially beneficial for diabetic peripheral neuropathy, where the patients suffer from a loss of sensation because of nerve damage caused by diabetes. The loss of sensation leads to irregular walking patterns, resulting in complications. Healthy persons usually place their heel first on the ground, followed by the foot and then the toes and then the heel again. But due to loss of sensation, persons with diabetes may not always follow this sequence, which means that the pressure is unevenly distributed. Regions of the foot where the pressure exerted is high are at greater risk of developing ulcers, corns, calluses, and other complications. To address this challenge, they designed arches in their sandals that snap to an inverted shape when pressure beyond a certain threshold is applied. When the pressure is removed, the arch automatically returns to its initial position. Multiple arches have been designed along the length of the footwear to offload the pressure effectively, and they have published a report on their study in the science journal Wearable Technologies of Cambridge University Press. They are collaborating with startups FootSecure and Yostra Labs to commercialize their product. And with that, let's take a look at story number three. And Chinese scientists have found signs of water in samples retrieved by China from a lava plain on the moon, bringing them closer to understanding its origin there. In a paper published in Nature Communication this week, the scientists said that they had analyzed remnants of solidified lava retrieved by an uncrewed Chinese mission from the plain known as Ocean of Storms. They found evidence of water in the form of hydroxyl encased in a crystalline mineral known as apatite. Hydroxyl, comprising a single hydrogen atom and an oxygen atom versus 2 hydrogens to 1 oxygen in a water molecule, was also found in samples retrieved by NASA decades ago. It was widely held that most of the water on the moon was the result of chemical processes triggered by the bombardment of charged particles from the sun on the lunar surface. The source of hydroxyl in minerals such as apatite is very likely indigenous, the scientists said. The hydroxyl contents in foreign materials produced by the impact processes are probably negligible. the scientists also said. And with this, we come to an end of this edition of Science Time. We'll be back with more exciting stories from the world of science next week. Until then, stay tuned to India Science. Namaskar. Thank you for watching.